What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video, so we're gonna get right into this makeup tutorial. So I have foundation in my eyebrows on, and the first thing I'm going to use is the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. So one thing I didn't like about this concealer is all of the choices were either peach or yellow or pink undertones. I'm pretty much just neutral across the board. So I did pick up Shell, and it is a beige base with yellow undertones. So we'll see. This actually looks really pale. So I'm just going to be applying this to the under eyes. I've actually been using a little bit of product lately. So this has a very small doe foot. I don't hate it though because I really don't apply concealer that much to my face. So, okay, it's pretty white. So I'll blend one side out with a brush and then the other side with a beauty blender. So a little bit of product definitely goes a long way with this concealer and with a brush. I feel like the brush is a lot easier. My eyes don't crease like anything crazy. It blends out very well. This is very white compared to my base right now. So there it is blended out. It actually doesn't look bad at all once it's blended. I'm gonna go in down here and just make sure it's not like a harsh line. Now I'm gonna do the other side with this little mini beauty blender. Honestly, so far, I really like the concealer. We'll see how it sets, but this color actually did work out really well for me. So next I'm gonna be using the Kylie setting powder. This is in the soft pink. Right now I use Huda Beauty's in a soft pink as well. And on the website, this said that this is good for light to fair skin tones. So we'll see. Pretty small compared to most setting powders, but I feel like this would be really good to travel with. Yeah, there's really not a lot of product in here at all. So this is 0.35 ounces and it was $24. So I'm just using my Morphe brush and we're going to pat this in. It is like insanely finely milled. Wow. I'm really not upset about this. A little bit of powder just went a long way. Like I'm lightly scraping this up and you can see it sitting on my under eye. I actually like this packaging a lot because all I'm doing is taking my brush and gliding it across the top and it's picking up enough product, especially just to set my under eyes. Next we're moving into the Sorta Sweet palette. You wanna come up? Come here. Come say hi. There we go. Callie's in here filming with me because she can't be away from mama. Whoop. Does the makeup taste good? I love you. So back to eyeshadow palettes. I really don't use eyeshadow that much, so I wanted to pick up a very neutral palette. I just can't. I love her packaging. Oh, that's really pretty. And it doesn't smell. I don't know. I'm so used to all of the palettes smelling so great that when they don't smell, I'm concerned. So this is a very neutral palette. This is right up my alley. I love the size of this mirror over here, so I'll probably use it to apply eyeshadow. So as far as fallout goes, honestly, the pan is still very clean. So I'm trying to pick up a metallic, is that what it's called? Shimmer metallic, I don't know, with my brush, and it's not working out, so I'm going to use my finger. Guys, honestly, I thought this was gonna be more of a roast video. I did not think that I was gonna like any of these products, but so far, so good. I really do like the eyeshadows as well. So next we have bronzer, and this is Tequila Tan, and this is a warm bronzer. Okay, so we're back to the pink theme. I kind of hate how everything is all over the place, like pink, black, black. As much as I love her packaging, I really wish that it kind of stuck together at the same time. So this retails for $18. It's actually a really, really good color, especially for the eye look I just did. So it definitely warmed up my face. It looks really good. Super natural. I actually like this color a lot. So I am going to dust away the powder that is under my eyes right now. Honestly, it looks really good. My face isn't super matte. It is definitely seamless. I do not have a lot of creasing underneath my eyes whatsoever, which is amazing. Like, I'm very, very impressed. So I'm just gonna take the same color that I put in my crease and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. Now that our eye look is done, I'm gonna pick out a lip liner. Actually, let's swatch the cream lipstick that I picked up. This is in Dolce Leche, and it is a mid-tone toffee. So we have the black packaging again. So I'm gonna line my lips quickly with Charm by Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics. The one thing I do hate about her lip liners is the product pulls out so bad all the time. It's like, no matter how much you sharpen it, it always gets messed up. And then putting it on is such a pain in the ass. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I just fell down my shirt. Like, that's so unnecessary. Well, that's good enough because her lip liners kind of suck. So now I'm gonna use the lipstick and let's see how this goes on. Very, very smooth. Wow, I haven't put this much makeup on in a minute. So let's move on to the high gloss. So next we have the high gloss, and this is in Snatched, which is an opaque mauve. I'm talking too much. So again, here we have the pink packaging. Ugh, I hate how it's all over the place. So, oh, okay. It's goopy. I hope it's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. I actually like really like this. This is my go-to color. This is something that I would put on with just a tinted moisturizer, my eyebrows done, my eyelash extensions, and run out the door because it gives you a little bit more and you definitely look more put together. Oh my god, I just realized I don't know where the blush is. I had purchased a blush too and it's not here. I'm very disappointed. The end of the video and I just found out that I don't know where the blush is. Also really upset me with this order, so I'm gonna take a break from them. So the last product is gonna be the highlighter. I'm gonna set my face really quick and then we are going to use that. I like to use highlighter after I set my face so it's not as powdery looking and everything else sets in, just blends a lot better. So I picked this up in Ice Me Out. This is just an icy champagne, which is my, oh, look at that. So it kind of looks too yellow for me, but we're just gonna go with it. Wow. Wow. Damn. I'm not used to like blinding highlights like this, like whatsoever. So as far as highlights go, this is obviously like super intense and it's not what I like or personally care for. If you're into a super blinding highlight, then do you, but for me, I just feel like I'm 28, I shouldn't be wearing a highlighter like this. Kylie doesn't play. Kylie does not play. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for this makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed it, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also go follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.